Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako po si Nicole Castillo and welcome po sa aking daily devotion. So, ang topic po natin ngayon is Satan. So, kapag sinabing Satan, it's the personal name of the head of the demons, the chief adversary of God and his people, once a created angel who rebelled against God. He now leads the forces of evil and oppositions to God's kingdom. Scriptures present Satan as a deceiver, accuser, and tempter, seeking to blind minds to the truth and to destroy lives. While Satan is powerful and cunning, he is still a created being under God's sovereign control. His defeat was secured at the cross, and this final judgment is certain. Believers, though called to resist him, do so from positions of Christ's victory. So ayon po sa 1 Peter chapter 5 verse 8, be alert and sober mind. Your enemy, the devil, prowls around like a roaring lion, looking for someone to devour. So, ayon po sa ating katuruan, sinasabi po dito na Satan is a personal and not a mere symbol of evil. So, Satan ay hindi lang idea or symbol ng kasamaan. Siya ay isang tunay na nilalang na may layuning sirain ang gawa ng Diyos at guluhin ang buhay ng Diyos, ng tao. Kaya, dapat seryosin ang kanyang mga gawa. Next is Satan's power is subject to God's power. So, kahit malakas si Satan, hindi siyang kasing lakas ng Diyos. So, ang kakayahan, kapangyarihan ay limitado. Nasa ilalim ng sovereignty ni Lord. So, hindi siya makakilos ng walang pahintulot ng Diyos. Next is Satan has no authority over the believer. So, dahil kay Jesus, wala nang kapangyarihan si Satan laban sa mga manampalataya. We are under the blood of Christ. At hindi niya tayo pwedeng ariin, pwede niya tayong takutin or tuksuin, pero hindi niya tayo pwedeng kontrolin. So, sa applications naman, pray for a Christ-centered family. So, ang pamilya ang madalas target ng kaaway, kaya kailangan palaging ipanalangin si Christ ang maging center ng bawat kasama sa bahay. So, next is prepare for spiritual battle. Demons are not evil. So, next is push forward and weaken the enemy's territory. So, ayun lang po. Maraming salamat.